Kung nakita mo to, hindi aksidente. May blessings na papasok in next 8 days. The universe is rushing something toward you and it's good. At kung napadaan ka dito, this is your sign. Ace of Wands, may bagong spark, opportunity, idea, or person na paparating. Something na magbabalik ng fire mo. Itong energy na to, hindi delayed, hindi stagnant. Ito yung moment na biglang may nagbubukas para sa'yo. Ace of Pentacles, tapos may kasabay pa, stability, money, or solid na offer. Ito yung blessing na matagal mo nang hinihintay. Pero ngayon, finally, handa nang ibigay sa'yo. At ito ang pinakamatindi, Eight of Wands, mabilis, unexpected, walang warning, messages, opportunities, approvals, bookings, new clients, new money flow, sunod-sunod. The universe is saying, handa ka na, tinatanggal ko ang delays, paparating na. Kung nararamdaman mo to, claim mo sa comments. At kung gusto mo ng personal reading para mas malinaw kung anong paparating, i-message mo ko. Yung energy mo, babasahin ko mismo.